In this video, I'll show you how to master Salesforce CRM in 2025 with a complete guide covering all essential features. First, start by setting up your Salesforce org and familiarize yourself with the Lightning Experience interface, including the navigation bar and app launcher. Next, learn to manage core CRM objects by creating and customizing accounts for companies, contacts for individuals, and opportunities to track deals through your sales pipeline. Then, master lead management by capturing leads, qualifying them, and converting them to opportunities using Salesforce built-in workflows. Set up custom fields, page layouts, and record types to match your business processes and data requirements. Finally, leverage Salesforce AI features like Einstein Analytics for insights, automate processes with Flow Builder, and create custom reports and dashboards to track your sales performance. And that's how to master Salesforce CRM in 2025.